Max Money Tribe, Max Money family, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and we are back, baby. We're talking about investing stocks, short squeeze plays. We were in on the NIO play, family. If you are still riding those, I had 40 calls at one point. I had 68 of them, and I told you why in those last videos I dropped on Monday. Yesterday, I didn't have a video because it was still relevant with CHPT earnings after hours. Check that video out if you're interested in NIO. Now, CHPT didn't go quite as planned, but I have made my $100 and got out of that. I said earnings are very risky. Now, if you would, family, smash the subscribe button, crush the thumbs up. Let's look at the gains. Now, yesterday was a $1,000 day, almost 1,100 actually. And then today we turn around and make another 5%, $223. We're just getting to the bag, family. So I just want to show it. December 6th, down here. And then we gapped up here. It was more like 36. It was right here about 33, 30, somewhere in there, 3,300. We jumped up to 4,300. It was about $5,000 at one point on the spike, but we couldn't catch the top all the way. But it's okay, fam. We are back with the bangers. I want to talk about NIO first, and then I will get into the short squeeze plays. We're talking high risk, high reward, and why we need to push the brakes until we get a better buying opportunity. Let's check it out. So NIO is sitting at $35. Today it ran up huge, 5.83%. That's major, almost $2. It printed those calls again today for me. I had 8 calls I was holding on to. So I got to show you the receipts, family, because on this channel, I try to keep it as transparent as possible. So if we run it back just a little bit, okay, you see right here, the sales. I want to show you the sales. Canceled sell here. This is soon as it jumped up on the 7th. So we started selling. Boom. We catch it at $69. Again, we caught it right here. Another 10 for $75. That was the highest I can get them going. So that was 20 of them. And then as the day went on, I slowly got rid of some, as you see here, family. And then the last ones today, I had 8 of them. I was at work. I said it, forget it, because I believed it was going up. And at $55, I got rid of my last 8. So that's transparency. Now I got an article because NIO Day is coming up, and last year was huge. Now, what's going on with NIO? Why was it up today? This is brought to you by Motley Fool. Shares dropped nearly 20% over the past month. They have been staging a recovery this past week because there was that FUD, that fear about being delisted. And people were like, sell, sell, sell. And I kept telling you, NIO is following the rules. This isn't new to the stocks. If you're new to NIO, it won't be the last time you hear about delisted. And I still have not seen an article saying NIO delisted. Chinese stocks may be delisted, but NIO not quite fast. So now what? The growth in electric vehicle sector is expected to be global. Right here, the agency believes global EV sales will be dominated by those two markets through 2023. So the company plans to expand into Germany next year as well. NIO recently announced a strategic partnership with energy giant Royal Dutch Shell. Now, that's the news we broke on Monday that was getting us ready to go. But they also have another deal. I cannot find it. It's a partnership. I'm sure somebody in the family knows it or saw the article. They have another deal that dropped at the same time, and it was major. Now, right here, they said the Hello World theme is what they're going with for NIO Day. Upcoming NIO Day, which is on December 18th. The event will be held on December 18th. The investors seem to be taking advantage of the drop in share price in the recent week to jump in, leading to the presentation. So there you have it. So family, you got an opportunity to load up on it. We got NIO Day. They got a Hello World theme. They're expected to release, I believe, the E9F, which they're believing is going to be a convertible. We will find out about that. Let me know if you're playing NIO down below. Let me know if you ate off of that play. I'm just trying to give you free game, free money, man, and realize every day won't be green. So we've been on a run all week, and I like to follow the SPY. I like to trade the SPY. So I got SPY calls right now. If you don't know, or if you're looking for some plays, check out Chasing Assets Chasing Assets and the number 1. That's the Instagram channel that I use. Chasing Assets 1. And I drop plays just like the SPY call. I dropped it in there saying I was buying at $60 And I would buy another one if it dipped down to 40 because the way the market was trading today. So you would have made money on that. And I usually buy about 20 calls at a time, 10 calls at a time. So you do the math. I'm already up $24. But let's get into the squeeze plays, baby. Shout out to the family. They put me on the CFVI. You also have another one down here that I haven't talked about much, GFAI. And I'm just going down the list because it's been a while since we really talked about them. PTPI, that's one I added to the radar. So that's 3 right there, straight from the family. They put me in those bangers. Now, one of my babies, BBIG, I ran some scanners on this and it's showing that it actually hit this reversal. It's starting to trend up. It's starting to make higher highs now at this point. As you see here, just on the basic chart, I'm using FinViz, I'm using Yahoo Finance. It broke past this point. Then it went up here and tested to $3, which would be strong resistance, right, family? So we see right here, it tested over here, it tested over here. Now we're looking for it to climb even higher. I think now would be a really good time to buy it. But if you can catch it on a bigger red day, or if you caught it in this early morning dip down here, that would be my price target to load up. 280s, the low 280s, family. BBIG is one of our bangers. Now, another one that ran today or has been running, AQST. AQST, if we have not forgot about you, December 23rd, FDA approval. We done stumped this one in the ground so much. AQST, they're looking for an FDA approval coming up on December 23rd. So keep that on your radar. You don't want to wait till the last minute to load up. But there's a lot of upside to this. It could go crazy, but it usually lives around here at a $6 to $6.35 range, family. Let me know if you're loading up on any of these. Now, AMC did exactly what we said in the last video. It pulled up from the low 25s all the way back in the 30s, and it showed a lot of strength. Now, it sold off a little bit after hours, just a little bit, because GameStop had a little bit of that mixed earnings. But that's okay, family. AMC apes know what it is. So keep it going, family. Next one on the list, Progenity. We haven't talked about this one in a while. It is one of our bangers. It had a big run up. And now you see here, it reversed with the market as well. And it's also finding this bottom, trending sideways. I would look for this to get tighter and tighter as it goes on. And then we want to look for that price action, maybe where it crosses over and gets a nice pop to the upside. Progenity, family. Now we got to bring up some other bangers like CHPT. We had talked about it the other day as far as earnings. So it posted a fairly decent earnings report. It still dropped off. This is why we don't always play earnings with all our money, because it can drop off. Now, I told you I loaded up at $21, which was here the night before. It gapped up to about 22. I sold at 22, family. That's how you secure the bag. The whole day it trended sideways and sold off. Now it's looking to climb again. I believe it will get to a green day here soon. Now I want to wrap this up, family, by you smashing the subscribe button, you crushing the thumbs up, because I appreciate you, family. On this channel, you are appreciated, every single one of you. If you're new to YouTube, if you're a new investor, you found the right channel, smash the subscribe button, comment below. We will get back to you. I will. Again, my name is Alvin. This is Max Money, and check me out on Chasing Assets 1. If you want to get some of those daily gems that I drop here and there, you actually get to see my face over there. And that's about it, family. I appreciate y'all so much. Let's get to the bag tomorrow. Now, before we get there, be prepared for either a cool off day or for us to really go and test that in the SPY to break over that 70 range to get back up there where we were at. But it's been so hot lately. The SPY has been so hot lately. We got to be prepared right here. We got to be prepared to either go test 470 or get rejected. And then we load up, because we buy the dips. We buy the fear. We ride it off to profits. I'll see y'all tomorrow, family. Y'all have a great night. Y'all have a great one.